Good morning. The house is currently a bomb. Good morning. The house is currently a mess inside because Dawn is trying to make everything for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to make us a little breakfast out here. Let's just go ahead and see if it can cook. I'll plug this one in. This one has 250 watt and 600 watt settings. And it is for a total of 600 watts at 110, but it is not UL listed, so I don't really love that. I'll go ahead and plug this in, and that way it can start getting warmed up. A little light comes on when things are recognized, which I think I just heard the car lock itself, so that's probably why. Nope, those are on. Oh, there it goes. So now the little lights are on. That's how you know. And let's set it to 250 watts to start. And there's a little tiny red light. It's very hard to see, but that's how you know it's on. So that works. Let's try to bump it up 600. No problem. All right, I think I can say that one works pretty well. So I'm gonna unplug that one. And we're gonna try the little bit bigger one. This is a Blue Diamond. Try not to break it apart. This one is rated for 1800 watts at, can't read it upside down, 120 volts. This one is UL listed, so I much prefer this one. And one of the little feet fell out. Let me see if I can get that put back in. All right. I put it on a little ceramic piece I had because I don't know how hot these get. So we'll plug this one in.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm not sure how long that takes to turn on sometimes. It just does what it wants. Now, this says power, and this says ready, which it didn't earlier, so maybe it kind of... I did test it once just to see, because I've never used this before. So I did plug it in once. So it's on medium. It's on high. And it has a sear mode.
Now it's in the smoke.
There is no problem on its highest setting. So that's 1200 watts, I believe. So not bad. I can even kind of hear it clicking on and off as I move the speed. So, all right. How hungry are you? Let's go ahead and just try out the back, because these I don't know if they're gonna work or not. So this big one is 1800 watts at 120 volts, UL listed. I'm gonna say this is probably not gonna work, but let's just see, because maybe it doesn't pull 1800 all at once. So the lights are on. High. I've not used this one, so I do low. Uh-oh. Oh, close. Yeah, I think it was telling me to close the lid.
Right, yeah.
I don't know what that one means. Okay, well that's interesting. All right. Well, I think this will be the biggest test because it is also 1800 watts UL listed. Let's see, will it toast? I don't like it more than a 2, but he likes it higher, so.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. All right. Oh, wow. It's already hot. I think we'll let that go. How do you want your eggs? Here or here?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll plug this one back in. And I'll set it to medium. And probably not the best way to spray that, but okay. Fried eggs?
Complete good culture.
All right. I don't know how hot this is. It's pretty warm, actually. Oh, don't judge me on my cooking skills based on this.
Oh, yeah.
Not bad, not bad. Put it up to medium high. Not bad. All right, I can see this working.
Yeah, for sure. Nice.
I'll just let them go for a minute. So let's check on the toast. It's toast. I like mine very light. All right, I think the only test remaining will be, can we cook something in this big one for a prolonged amount of time? That's what it's going to be curious, because it'll be either this big one or the little one that comes with us on the trip. I don't know if I'm going to bring a whole toaster, but it does work. It toasts. I am very impressed. I have not had a single problem so far, and I thought for sure the toaster would be too high draw at the start. But I guess not. Needs a little more time before I flip it. All right, well, I have to say I'm pretty happy with that, actually. Excuse me. I was a little worried. I wasn't sure if I would have to bring propane with me or not. But I think we're going to be just fine. I think I'm going to set up a little kitchen in here for our trip. And that way we can have a cooler and we can have a kitchen. And really, I think I can cook just about everything on that. So I'm pretty happy so far. We went with the power outlet for the power package for a few reasons. One is when there is hurricanes, we do want to be able to run our fridge. We want to be able to keep our medicine cold. Yeah, and for camping. So when we've been through a few hurricanes, we had the Chevy Volt when we went through Hurricane Sandy in New Jersey. And we became trapped in our neighborhood for 2 weeks. There were so many trees down, you literally could not leave our cul-de-sac at all for 2 weeks. So we kind of learned some hard lessons that time, and we've been a lot more careful ever since. So we did go with the power package for storms, for the house, for the future, for camping, and I think I'm pretty happy. There's more things I'm going to test soon, but we're hungry, so not bad. Not bad at all. I could definitely see cooking on this.
Yes, functional. Functional.
All right, well, I don't know what else to show. I didn't have more food planned because I wasn't sure if this was going to work, so I didn't bring a whole lot out, or I'd made a bigger breakfast, but I think this will do for now. All right, well, I think that'll be it for this morning. We're going to get finished here and then finish our Thanksgiving meal inside. So I hope y'all have a great holiday and see y'all later.
Bye.